In the next 5 minutes, you'll build a working REST API in Python. Live endpoints, real data, and documentation that writes itself. Before we start, you need 3 things: Python 3.9 or newer, any code editor, and a terminal. No backend experience required, and every tool here is free. Open your terminal and run pip install FastAPI Uvicorn. That installs the framework and the server that runs it. Links are in the description. Step 1. Create your first endpoint. An endpoint is just a URL your app responds to. We'll start with one that returns a simple message. Create a new file called main.py. Import FastAPI, then create an app instance. Now add a route. The decorator at app.get tells FastAPI, when someone visits the homepage, run this function. Return a dictionary and FastAPI converts it to JSON automatically. Save the file, then start the server with uvicorn main:\app --reload. The reload flag restarts the server every time you save. Open your browser at localhost port 8000. You should see your message as JSON. If you get command not found, your virtual environment isn't active. Activate it and try again. That's your first endpoint live. Step 2. Accept data with a Pydantic model. Right now, our API only sends data out. To take data in, we describe its shape with a model. Import base model from Pydantic, then define a class called task. Give it 3 fields: ID, an integer, title, a string, and done, a boolean that defaults to false. Those type hints are the magic. FastAPI reads them and validates every request for you. Now add a post endpoint. At app.post/tasks, the function takes a task argument, typed as task. FastAPI parses the JSON body, checks the types, and hands you a real Python object. Append it to a list and return it. Send a bad request, say a title that's a number, and FastAPI replies with a clear 422 error. You never wrote a single line of validation. Step 3. Complete the CRUD operations. CRUD means create, read, update, delete. The 4 things every API does. We already have create. Add a get endpoint at /tasks to return the whole list. Then a get at /task/task ID. The curly braces make it a path parameter, and the int type hint converts it for you. Loop through, find a match, return it. If nothing matches, raise an HTTP exception with status 404 and a clear message. Add a delete endpoint the same way. One common mistake, forgetting the return statement. Your endpoint will silently return null. Save and the server reloads itself. 4 endpoints, about 30 lines of code, and a complete REST API. Step 4. Test it. In the docs that built themselves, go to localhost 8000/docs. FastAPI generated this entire interactive page from your type hints. Every endpoint, every field, every data type. Click post/tasks, hit try it out, and fill in the request body. Press execute. 200 OK. Your task was created. Now run get/tasks. There it is, returned from your API. Try get with an ID that doesn't exist. 404 with the exact message you wrote. This page is real shareable documentation. Send the link to a front-end developer and they can start building immediately. Congratulations! You just built a REST API with typed data validation, full CRUD endpoints, proper error handling, and interactive documentation. Next, connect a real database with SQL model, then deploy it. Grab the project files and the one-page cheat sheet in the description. Now go build something.